You're enjoying yourself.
Please marry me.
Marry what? Are you mad? Marry what? What do you mean by please marry me? Look at this poor wretched idiot. Does she look like she's your level? I mean your class? Okay, I'm talking to you. Marry what? Sandra! Oh yeah, like this. Okay, go away like this. What do you mean by marry me?
Sandra, will you calm down?
Of course I am being calm. I mean, look at this idiot. Look at how dirty he looks.
No, you don't have to be hostile to him like that.
Have you seen the car he came with? Have you seen he's the owner of this car?
That's
this
my car.
dirty car.
It's my car, yes.
Sandra, all this doesn't matter.
Really?
Allow this young man to talk. I don't like the way you're being hostile to him.
Oga?
You know I love you so much.
Oga, shut up! I am talking, you're still saying you love her so much. Before you even ask someone out, you should at least look at your level and look at her level. You're stupid! Stop this rubbish!
Allow her talk now.
She must not talk! You're local! I mean, you're too dirty!
Baby, please.
Look at this one!
Please don't say no, please.
Just hold on.
Let me even talk to this
Baby, what happened?
I'm coming back to you.
See, Oga,
Hold on, please.
you're mad. I mean, you don't have sense. Look at you. Oh, you think you can come and collect my friend from me, right? No, you think you can. Excuse me, my friend. It will not work.
What have I done
You
to
are
you?
a fool.
Please, who are you? Why are you holding this right up?
Ma, I'm just trying to save you from poverty.
See your stupid car that you came to propose to my friend with.
Do not say yes to that man.
Stupid idiot.
I'm trying to save you from poverty. That man is wretched. He's poor. Everything about him is poverty.
Don't try this rubbish next time.
If you say yes to him, you will suffer your entire life. You will be in misery and pain.
And how is that supposed to be your problem?
What's going on here?
I'm just trying to save you from making a big mistake that you will end up regretting in future.
Mistake from what?
This man is trying to accept now.
That man, right?
He does not have anything.
I said it.
He's broke. He's poor. He doesn't have anything. Even his family from their generation up to him now, they don't have anything.
Ah! I told you. I'm just trying to save you. You're my friend.
Do you know that this man cannot feed 3 times a day?
Ah!
Sandra!
Lillian, I told you.
Wait, are you sure of what you're saying?
His mother still sends him food from the village.
Hey!
He cannot feed 3 times a day. I'm just trying to save you from making a big mistake.
I am sure you don't want that kind of thing for yourself. I am sure.
Well, the truth is that I'm in love with this man. Yeah.
This guy is saying that man is
You are in love with this man?
Yes.
Love is not enough. Oh. Did you see the car he's driving? This is not even car.
It
You see
doesn't
the motor he's driving.
Look at.
So you want him to be
This one is a motor.
Sandra!
Lillian, stop now.
You won't expect me to judge him because of his current condition. No. It's
So
not
you want to
possible.
suffer?
Of course.
So you want to suffer?
I'm going back there to accept that
Lillian,
proposal.
do not go back there.
You are too classy to drive in this car. Oh.
Good.
If you accept this man, now even this little more you have now, it will disappear. It will vanish.
You see?
You will go back to square zero.
Thank you. So you want to go and be feeding a man? So you want to start feeding a man at this your young age?
Well, wait. The truth is that something in me accepts this man with my whole heart.
A poor man.
A poor man.
A poor man.
I'm going back for
My
him.
poverty is in their lineage.
I have this strong conviction in me.
My poverty is in their
Don't
generation.
try to stop me.
Lillian, are you going back to? Are you going?
Baby.
Hello. I have this strong conviction that there is something about you. And I'm here to accept your proposal.
Are you serious?
Right here.
Are you serious?
And right now.
Oh.
Yes.
I promise you one thing. I will love you forever. I will love you with all my heart. But it's okay. Come. Come, let's go. Let's go.
Where are you going to? Let's hop in your car.
Don't worry, forget about it. Come. Come with me. Come. Don't worry. Come.
Oh my God.
Don't worry, I will explain to you.
Oh my God.
Enter.
I should enter.
Enter. Wow. Hug me again, please. Is that not Benz?
I know the guy has money. I know he's rich. I know this girl just messed me up.
Thank you so much.
What are you looking at? You're stupid. You're mad. What did I pay you for?
Why are you insulting me?
What did I pay you for? Look at now. She accepted that proposal.
Ma, I did what you asked me to do now.
You didn't do it very well. You didn't do it very well. You would have convinced her enough.
Ma, I tried my best. You were here with me.
That guy is a multi-millionaire. I know he's very rich. That was the reason why I paid you. So you can scatter and confuse
Ma, you were here. I did my job.
Look at now. He has taken my friend away from me. And now I am single. I am single.
Ma,
what do I do?
Ma, I did my best. I did my best.
Oh God, this is... See, let me tell you something, eh? You see that money I paid you? You better send it back to me in the next 24 hours.
No, ma, you still have to give my balance. You still have to give my balance.
If not, I will deal with you. You drive away from here.
Ma, you have to give my balance.
Go.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.